kind of taken the light theme. You know, we always say there's two places you can control lights. You can either control at the load level, which is what they call the light, where you screw in the lights, or the other one is on the switch.
Yeah.
Right. So the interesting thing is, you know, you're not about to go and redo or electrical work in your dorm room.
Don't do that.
But there are devices that you can do that are kind of unique and different. One is a company called SwitchMate, right? So this is a smart instant smart light that it comes with a sensor on it, and here's the on-off switch. And what's interesting about this, it comes in either a rocker, or this is a toggle, which is the little one. But if you have the toggle switches, you could plug just with a magnet. It goes right over it, and you can tie it to your phone. And this sensor can work so that when you walk into the room, it'll sense it. You can program it on your phone. The light will go on and off. So this is a kind of an interesting one. It only costs about $18. You know, or 18 to 25 bucks for here. They also, SwitchMate comes out with a smart plug. All right, so the other way you can control your lights, as Lauren mentioned, is with a lamp. All right, if you have a desk lamp, you want to go on and off like that. So you could use, here's a plug, or anything that gets plugged in here gets controlled by an app on your phone, and you can do it. Now, this comes with a 3-prong at the back, so it's ground. But what's interesting is it's rather large, right? And a lot of people don't want these big. Here's another one. This is a Z-Wave made by Jasco, you know. And last week we talked, as I mentioned, you know, it's a Z-Wave Plus. You can plug it in here, and then it comes with 2 plugs on either side. But we like the Wemo and Mini here, and this is the iClever. These things are pretty cool because they're designed so that you can put them right on top of each other. Right, so it makes it easy for you not to use the plug for other things, because you have 2 outlets on a plug. It just makes it easier for you. So, and these things range anywhere between, you know, the Wemo's $28, the fatter ones are around $25, and this is a relatively inexpensive, new to the market iClever, which is about like $11 or $12. So it depends to you. Wemo, you can hook up a lot of interesting products to it. If you also want to add things like Bluetooth speakers or what have you, you can control it through the app.
Right.